Hey, welcome back, Internet Lifestyle family. This is Forrest, also known as the Media Dude, out on Facebook and Twitter and over here at Media Dude Marketing. Just wanted to go over a couple of things. Today's video is day 8, video 8 in the 100-day video challenge. The goal, of course, on my end is to always put videos out. I'm sort of a how-to techie guy. I love that stuff. I love tech manuals. So the majority of my videos are probably going to have to do with something in terms of setting up blogs, video marketing, the how-to back end. I know that Clifton does a lot of these, but I like to do them so I have them on my own site. I've got a lot of SEO reasons for doing them this way. I've got some real cool video marketing techniques that are going to be coming up here shortly on some of my future videos, so stay tuned. In this video I want to show you how to set up your blog. Now I have two blogs. I have the Internet Lifestyle, as you can see, the beta blog over here. This is the affiliate blog that's sort of in beta test, which is really cool. And I also have my regular custom blog, which we're going to jump over here into in just a second. This is my custom blog that I also got through Internet Lifestyle Network family. You'll see I've got the custom banner up here. I've got lead capture here. I've got my custom personal video over here. I've got my blog post, got my contact information, got my sidebar widget set up with Facebook, some links over to Internet Lifestyle family. But what I want to do in these videos is show you how to go up and set up these menus up here. Some of you may already know how to do this. You'll notice I hover over these. I've got some pull down options. They work pretty similar on both blogs, both the affiliate ILN blog and the custom blog here. They work basically the same way, but I just want to show you. So if you have either one, that they work just about the same way. Anyway, here we go. Jumping over this, first thing that you need to do, and you'll notice these are some pages, and I've just started working on this particular blog here, so it's a little bit skinny. I'm going to add a new page. First thing I like to do is I want to create a page, so I'm going to paste in my content. It's about a Media Dude Marketing, so that's what we're going to call our about page, and I've got some text that I pasted in here that's all ready to go. You'll notice over here on the page side there's some page attributes. There's a contact page and a sample page, and I'm just going to leave this on top with no parent. The default template is here. I can include a feature image, but on my about page I don't necessarily want to have a featured image right now because I'm going to add a privacy statement in and also a FTC compliant affiliate disclaimer. I'm going to add that into the blog here in a little bit as soon as I get a chance to set that up. And I don't really want it, I just want it to be about me. I don't want any picture on there. I may go and put my own photo in here later, but for right now we're just going to keep it simple. This is the page. I'm going to come down here and I just want it as a default image. I can also, of course, put my links over here if I want to have my sidebar on the right side or the left side. Right now I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to leave it as an open page with no menus and no sidebar on the side. This is my about page. I can click here and preview it. I'm going to save my draft one more time. Hopefully, if I'm not going too quickly, I'll have an about me page out there somewhere. So let's jump over and check this really quick. Alright, and we scroll down and there's my about page. Now, you'll notice it automatically dropped into the menu when I set that up here on the top. When I go in and create my privacy statement on this menu, I want to have it as a pull down of this menu. So I'm going to jump over to my custom blog and show you how I did that. So when you hover over this, there'll be a couple of pull downs. One will be my privacy disclaimer, the other one will be my FTC disclosure. So let's jump over to my big blog, my main blog that I copied this from. You'll notice this is a page. I'm going to come down here to Internet Lifestyle, Appearance, come down to Menus, and on the menu page you'll notice, of course, just like I did on my other menu, I created the page already. So you'll see I have recent pages over here, and I also have categories, and any one of these that you have you can add into your menu. Now these normally show up, depending on how you set them up, they're going to show up in your sidebar widget over on the side of your website. In this area over, you scroll down, you see recent posts, you'll see categories, Twitter, there's my archives, and I have my pages at the bottom. And this is, I like to treat these more of a menu. People say, why do you do this? Well, one, there's most people read top to bottom, left to right. Okay, at least in the United States they do. So you want people to scan. They're going to scan across. They're going to come across here. They're going to read all this information as they scan down the page. It's sort of called an F setup in forms of an F. Some people refer to it as an E. You'll notice they come across the page. You've got my links about us. I'm going to have a contact link up here for a contact page, so if somebody doesn't see my contact information here where they can get in touch with me with my phone number, my address, they'll have it up here in the menu as well. So this is sort of how the page is set up, and you'll notice I have my pull downs, my about, and I have my privacy policy and my affiliate commissions disclosure. I have my social media basics, Facebook marketing, and Twitter marketing, and of course under Media Dude Marketing homepage, it just brings me back to my blog page here, and I can add in some other cool, like when I get my video marketing page set up, we'll add that as well into this menu. So jumping over to the menu, you'll notice, like I said before, I had all my categories. So any of these categories I want to bring up to the top and add in to any of the areas up here and add them to the menu. It's very, very easy to do that. Simply come down here and grab what I want to add. And for this situation here, or for this example, we're going to add send me a personalized video email now, sort of some advertising that I've got going on. I want to move it over to the menu. So I check the box here, I hit add to menu, and you'll notice that it pops up in the menu. Now you'll notice that some of these are sort of paragraphed or indented over a little bit. If I want to scoot this over and make this a subcategory, say of Media Dude Marketing, I can drag it up to the top, and you'll notice there's sort of two positions. You'll see that little thing sort of giving me two positions. If I put it here, when I hit save, let me show you the difference. I'm going to hit save menu. I'm going to come back to Media Dude Marketing. I'm going to hit refresh my page, and you'll see I have send me a personalized video now in my menu bar. So that it comes down to a page where somebody can request, they put in a name and an email field, and I'm still again working on customizing this. Let me hit stop here. So I'm working on this page here. I'm actually going to delete it. So I just wanted to show you how to add this in. So this is my menu. I'm going to have a lead capture, but I'm actually working on a really cool new lead capture application. I'm going to show it to you on the very, very next video that is so funky. You're going to love it. I mean, it's absolutely freaking awesome, especially for you guys that love using video, and I know we're in our 100-day video challenge. So this technique that I'm going to show you is absolutely off the freaking chain when it comes down to lead capture, incentive capture, videos, and everything else. It's really cool. You're really going to dig it. I'm going to have that on the next video. I'm probably trying to get it out later. I've got to go get a haircut and come back in and do this afterwards. Anyway, jumping back over to my menu. So you'll notice it showed up in a menu. Now if I want it to be a sub menu, I can scoot it over here. I hit save menus. Let's go back over to my main page. I'm going to refresh this, and you notice it's now gone out of the main menu, but it's a sub menu of Media Dude Marketing. So when I click on it, it now works as a drop down. So I put it in the main menu, or I can put it in a sub menu for wherever I want to go. And that's basically how my page is set up using menus. So just to sort of recap, and it works on either the affiliate Internet Lifestyle affiliate blog. For those of you that have these that are in the beta test, these are so freaking cool and awesome. You can have your personal Internet Lifestyle affiliate blog set up, which is absolutely awesome. Or of course you can have customize and put your own custom banner and stuff up in here that Clifton has put together for us. So this is just a really, really cool blog. So I'm sort of working on them simultaneously because I want to really get used to this. This is really affordable. It's a real easy way to sell, especially for new business startups that don't have a lot of upfront capital to invest. This is a great way to help them get themselves out on the internet and get exposed and get found. We'll come back to that later. I jumped into marketing mode. Sorry about that. Basically, back to how-to mode. So this is how my menu would be set up in terms of putting this together. Now, to recap, let's go back. You find the item over here either under your pages or under your categories. Now, your categories come from your blog posts. You've got to make sure that when you create a blog, I'm jumping off bases. There's a lot of stuff to cover here. When you go in and you create a blog post, you need to make sure that A, you create a category for it. What's it going to fit under? Whether it's marketing, sales, personal development, Facebook, Twitter, whatever the subject matter is, you do not want it to be uncategorized. Again, let me restate that. You do not want it to be uncategorized. I'll say that for a third time. You do not want it to be uncategorized. You want to choose a category. You want to make sure that you tag it appropriately in the tag. So you want to make sure you get all your keyword tags, everything that's in your disclosure. So I would highly recommend in every single blog post that you write, you include your name, your phone number, and the city that you live in, and your business name. So your personal name, your phone number, the city you live in, and your business name. In every single post that you do, you also include those in your tags. So you put it in the post in your signature line. You also put it in the tags in your blog post. That's sort of a tip here. Tip. Take that as a tip. Blog posts Make sure you categorize them, make sure you tag them, make sure you put, and especially in every tag, in addition to the tags that are in the post, you put your personal name, your business name, your phone number, and the city you live in. Just trust me on that. The reason you do that is once you start doing a lot of blog posts, especially in this 100 video day challenge, if you guys are putting those videos into your blog post and pushing that, you're going to tag those videos exactly the same way out on YouTube. So you're going to have your name, your personal name, your phone number, your city you live in, and your business name in those tags on the videos. You're going to have it in a matching blog. And guess what happens to your search engine marketing now that every time that somebody sees that Forrest Knight has published a blog, it recognizes me as a person. It gives me some legitimate content out there. Right now, and most times when I go out and post a blog, I put my name on it. Google says, hey, there's Forrest. He just did another blog post. I'm going to give him some good SEO because he's been doing this a long time. He is a legitimate force to be reckoned with. I don't know if they actually say that, but I get a lot of really good SEO just by putting my name and my business name as tags in every single blog that I do. Even if it's a recommendation blog, a live endorsement blog, I'm talking about somebody else, I put my contact information in there. It just helps with SEO. I can't guarantee it's going to work for you. That's my disclaimer, but it works for me most of the time. And there's my other disclaimer. Anyway, I get off topic. I love this stuff. There's so much to talk about. Let me get back to the menus. As I said, you can choose any one of these over here. So you check it, hit add to menu. It's going to move over here. You can move it around whether you want to be a sub menu of a menu or you want it to be open. An open menu category is going to slide to the left or the right. So you get that set up the way you want it to. You hit your save menu and you're all done. Now, if you want to delete one of these bad boys, I'm going to take this one off here. I simply do a little pull down. Look, a red remove button. Bong, bong, bong. Hit remove. I'm just having fun today because I get to go get a haircut. And I hit save. And bam, it is no longer there. If I go up here, you'll see that it's here. I hit refresh. And it is no longer in my menu. So that is today's menu lesson. If you have any other questions about creating menus, adding to the menus, please watch this video like 100 times or get in touch with Clifton over at Internet Lifestyle Network. If you don't have your own custom blog, these blogs are absolutely fabulous. Clifton, the Internet Lifestyle family, has really created some really awesome, cool, easy to use, what I call drag and drop, point and click blog solutions for businesses, entrepreneurs, wherever. I really love this. It's very, very easy to use. This is Forrest, also known as the Media Dude, over at Media Dude Marketing, Internet Lifestyle Network family member, affiliate marketer, small business solution provider. I hope this video helped you guys out. I will see you on the next video. Remember, be true to you and do what you do.